Shinganda is a wildlife conservancy situated within the Kafue-West Lunga Wildlife Corridor. Our Kantanta camp overlooks the Lumba River, which runs through the middle of the property in a northerly direction. The Lumba River holds water throughout the year, supporting healthy numbers of wildlife, including elephants, lions, leopards, sable antelope, kudu, and a range of other species. Here you get a bird's eye view of the area, which holds vast tracts of untouched wilderness, stretching as far as the eye can see. Here the drone footage shows Shinganda Dambo looking towards the Kafue National Park, which is about 50 kilometers from Shinganda, and shortly you'll see some examples of the wildlife caught on our cameras. Enjoy the clips. Thank you.